Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we're excited to introduce the AROIC 6-pack painting display easel stand, a versatile and portable solution for artists and presenters alike. This adjustable metal tripod easel can extend from 20 to 66 inches, making it perfect for both tabletop and floor use, whether you're painting, drawing, or displaying your work. Crafted from sturdy aluminum, this easel is lightweight yet durable, featuring a spring clip at the top to keep your canvas securely in place. Installation is a breeze with easy-to-follow instructions, and the included storage bags make transportation and storage convenient. The rubber anti-slip feet ensure stability on uneven surfaces, making it ideal for outdoor use. Designed for both children and adults, this easel adapts to your needs with a simple height adjustment mechanism. And remember, if you're not completely satisfied, our worry-free after-sales service is here to ensure your peace of mind with a refund or replacement within 30 days. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.